Welcome to How It Works. In this episode, we'll be looking at the Sync 3 integrated dashcam. The Sync 3 integrated dashcam fits neatly and discreetly by the rear view mirror zone of the windscreen, giving you a high-definition 139-degree wide-angle recording of your vehicle and journey. The dashcam records footage and data from your journey and stores it on a 16GB SD card. If you ever need to access the recordings and other data, including speed and GPS coordinates, you can do so via the app using Wi-Fi connectivity on a compatible mobile device. The integrated dashcam gives you that extra peace of mind and safety while out on the road. If you don't already have this fitted and are interested in finding out more, visit Ford Accessories or contact your local Ford dealer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next How It Works video.